Hi, I'm Darlene Panzera from Aspiring Writer Academy, and today we're going to talk about 5 writing mistakes new authors make when self-publishing and what to do instead. Mistake number 1, publishing too soon. Many new authors are so excited that they typed the end and finished their manuscript that they just want to leap into having it published as soon as possible. This is a mistake because many times the finished manuscript isn't revised or polished. They really don't even know how to edit their story. What they really have is a rough draft. Imagine how much better the story would be if these authors just took a few more months to really make their book shine. Always ask, can you go deeper with character? Can you improve your plot twists or your chapter ending hooks? Is the dialogue clean and sharp and as interesting as it can be? Have you received feedback from a critique group or qualified beta readers? Did you hire a professional editor or cover artist? Before jumping into publishing, take the time to really learn the craft of writing fiction. Take classes, study books on writing, practice writing multiple stories, and make sure you are ready to publish by building an author platform with a professional website. Mistake number 2, not hiring a professional editor. Even the most seasoned authors need a good editor to go over their story with a critical eye. Many times an editor will see things that you just don't see, even if you have gone over it a million times. For example, in one of my novels, I changed the name of one of the characters. Even after I went over all the text, and a few other editors at the publishing house also went over the text, we all missed one spot in the manuscript that still used the original name of the character, and it went to print. While every novel has a few mistakes, it is important to catch these errors before your readers do. Some editors will look at the big picture and point out plot holes to help the story make sense. Other line editors will look at each sentence and help find errors in punctuation, grammar, and sentence structure. If you want a publishing career and you don't think you have the money to hire a professional editor, then wait until you do. This may seem harsh, but your book will be competing against all the millions of other books available. You don't want to put out a poor copy of your book, or you may lose future readers and sales. Instead, give it your best effort and make it the best it can be. Remember, publishing is a business, and you need to have the money to invest in your business. This means you need to consider startup costs, which include professional editing, a website with proper hosting, money to hire a good cover designer, the ability to cover promotional costs. You are the CEO. Don't you want your business to grow and succeed? Mistake number 3, slapping on a cheap, cheesy cover. An author's best-selling tool is their book cover. This is where you should invest the most money. Hire a professional cover designer to create the book cover. It's best that you don't try to do it yourself or have your friend create a cover with Photoshop. Let me emphasize again, you need a quality book cover. Some authors are now using AI to create book covers for them, which has caused some controversy. But the point is to make sure you have the best book cover you can to entice readers to buy your book. A poor book cover can mean poor sales. Make sure it looks professional. Mistake number 4, not having an author website. New authors who are pursuing a publishing career need a place where readers can find you. A website is your main hub. A website should have contact information and links to all of your social media sites. It should feature all of your books with blurbs and links to buy, and build anticipation for new releases. Most importantly, your website should offer your readers the opportunity to join your email list. And yes, a new author should take active steps to create an author newsletter email list even before they are published. Mistake number 5, unrealistic expectations. Most New York Times bestselling authors have spent years, if not decades, learning to write, publish, and promote their books. However, many new authors are more interested in how to market their books before they even know how to write a good story. And if they do finish a manuscript, they believe they will rocket to stardom, sell tons of books, and make $1 million. Generally, this is not how it works. Just like with any new skill, it takes time to learn. If you want to learn to play the piano, you need to know the musical notes and proper fingering on the keys and practice, practice, practice. If you want to become a doctor, you need to study medicine before you can perform surgery. Many people say they want to write and publish a book, but very few take the time to learn the required skills. This can lead to frustration. For those authors interested in pursuing a career, talk to other established writers to gain a better understanding of what is to be expected. Be prepared to put in the time and the effort that it takes to write and publish a novel, and most importantly, write because you love it, and not for the money that you believe you can make. Readers can tell when a story is written from the heart and soul and when it's not. Make sure your expectations are realistic. Create a 5 to 10 year game plan for your writing, a career map with specific steps that you can take to achieve your goals, and one day you may find you are exactly where you want to be. If you like this content, please like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. And if you would like help with your story, I invite you to click the link below and download our free Brainstorming Your Story Idea worksheet filled with 7 pages of fill-in-the-blank templates and examples to help keep your story moving forward.